Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can share your Notion page and give access to other people to change it, edit it, view it, and so on and so forth. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is a very useful tool which you can use for organizing and managing your time, your obligations, your whatever you have. And as I said, it is a very useful tool. You can create textual documents, you can create to-do lists, calendars, project trackers, and so on and so forth. And I will wholeheartedly recommend that you try it, and if you haven't already. And as you can see, I have created just a placeholder textual document, which I've named test, and let's say I want to share this to my contacts. Now, the way that you would do this is the following. Once you have it open, and just a disclaimer, this is on the PC version. On the standalone PC downloadable desktop version, you can also do this on the web version. You can do this through the browser. And the way you do it is once you have it open, go into the share button on the top right. Once you're here, you can then share it, enter the email of whoever you would want. I don't know, let's say jeff.bezos@gmail.com. Who knows if this email actually exists, but it will serve this purpose. Once you're here, you can select if you want them to have full access, if they can comment, view, edit, and so on and so forth. Edit, they can share, they can edit but not share, and you need Notion Plus to do this. And once you select it, you just press invite, and they will be sent an invite via their mail. You can also publish your templates online by clicking publish to web and setting everything up. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.